like formed arms in women and well-deformed muscles in men are important element of the perfect arm shape. With aging, there is a loss of this firm shape, and this is due to a loss of muscle volume, a loss of elasticity in the subcutaneous tissue, a loss of elasticity of the skin, and an increase of fat at the dorsum and the lateral aspect of the arm. These changes lead to a significant change in the appearance of the arm. There are wrinkles, the soft tissue envelope gets too big for the content, there is sagging skin. Arm rejuvenation can be done at different stages and at different regions. It's important to know that the term arm lift is not a single procedure, but is a variety of procedures that are used to change the appearance of the aging arm.